cruising on this journey. What are we saying? Making excuses, no. Tell all the people we know we're getting ready to go. It's time. Life is passing by. Any, mini, money, mo. Pick a place and there we'll go. Work this jungle like a pro and learn to laugh.
Good morning, people. So today is the last day of school for this semester, and today is December the 10, 2015. So I'm heading to school right now. There's a class party I'm late for, the same college course class I'm always late for. So follow me on my journey. Hope everybody alright and say good morning. Get up, people, get up, wake up, go to work and school. Alright. So here what? I hope today be a nice day. I have some things to do. I have to pay for my next semester, so today probably be a vlog day. So I hope you guys enjoy. So come. Hey peeps, welcome back. So I'm back at school now. I'm going to pay for spring semester. That is in January, but they just call it spring because it's close to spring. I've been observing the college for a while and it's really beautiful. I like it. Well, you guys won't see much of it because I'm not going to vlog the college, but I'll just try to get some shots. But over there you have the swimming pool, and then the rest of the college is over there. But yeah, I want to vlog about that. I just want a little update. So again, I'm going to pay for the January semester, and today is the last day of school. So after this I'll be home most of the time, and hopefully I can get some vlog work done and things like that. It's a Christmas season, you know, people go out and have fun and all those stuff. So hopefully I get a chance to go out, hang out with people. I don't know, I'm lonely already. Don't have any company or anything like that. But I'll try to work on that. Bonnie, Nikki, you guys better. Sophia, may get in things, but yeah, all my peeps them over here sit up on yourself. Understand, ladies? Sit up on yourself and think. So you know, say when the time come, when they carry me out and understand and treat me well. It's like a tripod.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. So come back. But wait, can you guys get like a shot? Can you get like, you want to see? Like a 360? Move my big head out of the way. Yeah, so it's like a small 360, not much. Like, it's like the wall, the school buildings, they're made of brick. As you can see over there, they're made of brick, so it's kind of nice. It's really nice. And then this is like here. So you have that right there. So you can see. So about right there, and just pushes you inside. It's easily accessible, so you can go anywhere. Yeah. But ooh, look at that view. Go straight. So it's well kept. That's all I like about it almost. You can reach it from any angle. But yeah. So I'm going in now. So I'll catch you guys later. So right now I'm leaving school. I'm gonna head up to my auntie. Yes, I'm going up there because let me set up this real quick. Nice. That seems to be fine. So, alright. So I'm heading up to my auntie right now because the washing machine stopped. The washing machine stopped work. So I need little holes them for go wash. So I'm gonna go up there and thing like that. And just relax and chill with my auntie for like a few hours and stuff like that. Oh, let me see. And then I like the lighting here. It's almost like, because the, what's it called again? What's it called? I forgot the time when the sun takes forever to go down. Like summertime, daylight saving time is gone, so no. Daylight saving time is gone. So sun goes down around 5:30. So now it's 5 o'clock. And I'm going up there now, which is good. A Tesla! Oh my god! Oh my god, that shot! Did I get that shot? Where's the stoplight? Where's the stoplight? Oh my god! I love Tesla so much. I know I have like a good camera stoplight. Please hold him. He's just going through. Sir, slow down. I know it's an electric car. You don't have to pay for gas, but you kind of slow down and just wait till we catch up to you, so I can switch lane real quick. Shit, the man moving so damn fast. So yeah, that was a Tesla Model S. Again, in Fort Pierce. I don't know what it's doing in Fort Pierce, but they're so fast. It's just switching through the lanes and that's like porn. That's like car porn. People, listen to me. Tesla cars are the best. They're the best thing ever that motor vehicle, whatever it is, Jing banks. Oh my god, I'm going to get a close-up. Am I? Oh my god, yes! There it is, yes! Finally, a close-up. That's the shit in Tesla! That's the Tesla! Oh my god! That's the Tesla there! That's the Tesla! That's the Tesla there! Oh my god! It's a real Tesla! Oh my god! Oh my god! People are just going to freak out. But I'm kind of freaking out. I'm driving and I don't want to crash. But yeah, that's like my baby. That's like my. Oh my god, he's coming into my lane! Look, hey, sure you have a block? Yeah, car block me now. It just cut blocking. She just switching lanes like that. Whoa, my god! All right, for y'all that don't know, I'm a big Tesla fan. When I see Tesla cars, I get excited. So yeah, I hope you understand. But I love those cars so much. Oh my god, I love those cars so much. Oh! But here, I'm heading out right now. When I reach up to my auntie house, then I start vlogging again for a little while. But here on, later.
What are we doing? Losing on this journey.